I have in my hand here a cigar. I'm going to remove the cap. As you can see, that's the cap. Now, that's pre-cut for the purposes of this video. But if I was going to use this particular cutter, which is called a straight cut, I would hold my cigar like this, put the cigar to this particular point, and cut. The result would be a clean cut and the cap would be off. And that's known as a straight cut. Another option is where I would have what we call the V cut. The V cut would not allow that much air through, but certainly just enough, and the intensity would be more as opposed to the straight cut. The third one is the punch cut, and the punch cut is an instrument which you would be able to push a hole with a punch right through and have enough depth so that when you're drawing, you're allowing enough air to go in and out, and then your cigar will always remain lighted. So just in summary, you've got the straight cut, the V cut, and the punch cut. I hope you've liked the video, and if you have, please like, share, comment, and subscribe to our channel.